Hoy, tara, sakay na kayo.
Randy Villarama is an indigenous Dumagat who represented the youth sector in negotiations with the Philippine government. Angat Dam, which supplies Metro Manila's drinking water, is a Dumagat's Kabayunan ancestral domain. ADB supported the rehabilitation of Angat's old tunnels and transmission system to ensure the continuous supply of safe water. To respect the Dumagat's rights, ADB worked with the Philippine government to get their free, prior, and informed consent for the project. After many years of consultations, Randy and other Dumagat leaders signed a memorandum of agreement with the Philippine government. The Dumagat successfully negotiated for livelihood support, ambulances, solar panels, kolong-kolong or tricycles, and others. ADB engaged with Randy for his story.
Bilang isang kabataan, isa po ako sa nag-suggest po na ang isa naming pangunahin po na kahilingan ay ito nga pong kolong-kolong. Sobrang hirap ng walang sasakyan, lalo dito sa lugar namin kasi malayo po talaga ang school. Talagang sinisikap po nila na makapag-aral at nung maging maayos din po ang kanilang pamumuhay sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Ito po yung sinasakyan namin ng mga gulay po namin, ng mga produkto namin para po maibenta sa baba.
During the consultations, the Dumagat planned for their own socio-economic development and prioritized their needs. The spirit of free, prior, and informed consent did not end with the MOA signing. Implementing the agreements presented a new set of challenges for the Dumagat and their organization.
May mga pagkakataon po na magkaroon po ng mga problema po. Minsan po wala po siyang gasolina. Minsan po wala pong driver. Tapos minsan po may pagkakataon po na medyo may nasisira po na piyesa ng sasakyan. Yun po yung isa namin na gustong mabigyan ng solusyon. Bilang isang kabataan po, sobrang napaka-importante po ang papel sapagkat sila po ang susunod na makakaranas kung ano po yung mga kahalagahan po ng mga benepisyo po. Sila na po magiging tribal chieftain, sila na po ang magiging mga kinatawan.